How to turn on multi-factor authentication on Fiverr. Are you guys facing issues to turn on multi-factor authentication on Fiverr application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr app on your mobile device. Once you open the app now, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on Preferences. Now click on Security. After you click on Security, look at the first option, Multi-Factor Authentication. Just turn it on. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna turn on multi-factor authentication. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.